Hey friends, if you wish to fix exception processing message 0xc0000005 unexpected parameters error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. So search for memory in the Windows search bar and then click on Windows Memory Diagnostic and click on restart now and check for problems. And the last solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar. Go to system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, then click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.